graduating students for academic year 2012-2013. They have successfully completed the requirements of their curricula prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education. I therefore recommend that they be conferred their degrees. As I call your college and courses, please stand to be recognized. College of Criminal Justice, B.S. Criminology, 327. College of Business Administration, Operation Management, 99. Human Resource Development Management, 15. Marketing Management, 38. BS Accountancy, 13. College of Computer Technology, BS IT, 102. BSCS, 241. Associate in Communication in Computer Technology, 177. College of Teacher Education, BE-Ed, Bachelor of Elementary Education General, 82. Bachelor in Preschool Education, 6. Major in SPED, 23. BSc Major in Biology, 26. BSc Major in English, 43. BSc Major in Filipino, 25. BSc Major in Biology, in General Science, 1. BSc Major in MAPE, 11. BSc Major in Mathematics, 37. BSc Major in Social Science, 18. College of Arts and Sciences, AP Psychology, 2. AP Political Science, 31. Mass Communication, 66. BS in Psychology, 227.
Ba't makakapasa ng board exam?
Graduate School,
Mga 10 lang.
Master of Arts in Educational Management, 17. Master of Arts in Education, Major in Guidance and Counseling, 10. Master in Security and Correctional Administration, 31. I therefore recommend that they be conferred their degrees. Thank you, Dr. Fe L. Haas. Now the graduates, as I call out for particular courses, please have your tassels to the right. Not check.
So by the power vested in me as the President of the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa, based on the recommendation of the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Fe L. Paz, that you have satisfactorily completed the curricula prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, I hereby confirm you graduates of, listen, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Casos right, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor in Elementary Education, Bachelor in Secondary Education, Master in Security and Correctional Administration. You can turn around your hat. Master of Arts Educational Management, Master of Arts in Education, Major in Guidance and Counseling, Associate in Computer Technology. Congratulations.
Once again, congratulations, graduates. You may have